Am I audible?
Yeah, Mr. Satyanand, you are audible.
Good afternoon, all. Myself, C.S. Satyanand Routray, respected members of juries, C.A. Kedar Pandeji and Ankit Jalan sir, and my dear enthusiastic, learned audiences. Today, I'm going to demonstrate some ChatGPT tool on GST practice automation. As we all know, since 2017, most of the CAs are interested in practice into GST. Earlier, there were very few people who are into the practice of indirect tax, but GST has changed the phenomena. And now most of the practitioners are directly or indirectly involved in GST. So in GST also there are many areas of practice like compliance or advisory or litigation. So in all of them, one thing is common, you have to update our knowledge base. If we are not abreast with the regulatory changes and the regulatory requirements and the changing law, then definitely we'll be in the back foot. If we'll not get ourselves updated, then we'll get outdated. So I started my AI journey from CAGPT, and this GPT that I have developed was because of a reason, because of a question that I asked to us GPT, CGPT. So I want to share my screen, the entire screen I have to share. Just yes. Is my screen is visible? My screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So these are the problem statement. I'll not go through that. I'll straight away come to the starting of my AI journey. So ever since this CGPT came, I used to use this for knowledge updation and various questions in doubt. This question prompted me to develop something which will help me in updating my knowledge base. I simply asked a question to CGPT that can a supplier of supplies attracting RCM avail input tax credit? And all of us who have some knowledge on GST should be knowing the answer that no, they cannot avail. But in GPT, it said yes. So I tried to understand why it said yes. I also contacted many of the giants of AI of our institute. They told that you can train the GPT, you can have your own GPT. Then I tried to resolve that through my GPT. I tried to use my GPT. In my GPT, I have developed. Uh, Let me share. Yeah, this one I have developed in my GPT. I created this, and here I have updated the knowledge base. Here I have updated certain knowledge base wherein it was clearly mentioned that when you are a supplier of supplies attracting GST on RCM basis, even though you are supplying taxable supply, but it is subject to, it is like an exempt supply. Therefore, you are not eligible to take the input tax credit. And once I updated that knowledge base, same question I asked in this GPT, now I got a correct answer. So I understood that even if GPTs are available, you have to customize it for your own practice, update it as per your convenient. And I started doing that with the recent notifications, circulars, laws, and case laws, so that I can abreast with the updated law. And also, this GPT is not only help me in updating the knowledge, but also it will help me in drafting my uh, litigation presentations, like reply to different so-cause notices and drafting appeal. Those can be done through this by using some standard prompts that I have done and tabulated in an Excel. I'll demonstrate few. Yes. So these are the things that I can demonstrate. I'll demonstrate upon the time constraint, and I'll try to demonstrate as much as possible. Yes, this is my prompt collections. So here I have different tasks for which I have prompts available with me. And here I have this, particularly when you are appearing before different authority, someone has to be authorized. So here I have the authorized persons like partners of our firm who are in the table 2, and here I have a drop down box. It can be used by any of our partner. Then I have selected my name. I am going to appear, yes, and I'll use this prompt to develop a reply or a drafting an authorization for appearing before an authority. Let us assume that we have received a so cause notice, and so cause notice mostly comes in the form of DRC01 with a speaking notice annexed to DRC01. So this too I will upload in my GPT. Yes. So I will just copy the prompt and I will just upload this to notices. And in a few seconds or in a minute, I'll get a fully drafted authorization letter wherein I don't have to change anything. This will save a lots of time, because whenever I try to do it on my own or I have to assign it to some of my office staff, then they may go wrong in putting the order number or so cause notice number or date or GST number of the partner. Sometimes they copy paste it, so they forgot to paste the name of the SSC. They may forget, or there may be some clerical error, but here there will not be any clerical error because the figures are very specific. And I have so far I have never seen any such clerical error. So in a few seconds I got this authorization ready. It can be downloaded in Word document, or I can just copy it, paste it, and just give a print. Authorization is ready. Similarly, if I want to have a reply to that, yes, here I copied it. I want to draft the reply with proper sections. Excuse me, sorry. With proper sections. So I have copied this from and these two so-called notices. Hope my screen is visible. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir. Audible. Yes, sir. Audible.
Yes. So
Your chat
just I
GPT screen is
uploaded that.
visible.
It will take some time because it will go through the notice, the cause of the notice, and accumulate the sections which are relevant to this, and automatically my so-called notice reply is ready. But yes, it is very pertinent to mention that AI is a help to a professional. It cannot replace a professional. So we have to take a good care whether those sections which have been quoted here, the case laws which have been quoted here, are correct or not. Here the reply is ready in downloadable format. Just I will download it. Sometimes it may require formatting, and these prompts are very friendly. This you can use this in GPT or you can use this in Claude. And as we all know, Claude is very famous for legal drafting. So here I'm ready with the reply. It's taking time to open. Yes, reply to so-called notice. The ornamental corrections I can make, or any sections related changes I want to make, I can do it. How it is useful, a live instance I had in recent past, when the Diwali holidays are coming. On the last working day, one of my client came to me with a notice that his bank account has been attached. So when I searched for the reason, it was because there was some due demand which was not paid, neither appealed. therefore the bank account has been attached. And it was the last working day, so 1 week, if the bank account will be blocked, his business will get hampered. So he came to me at 11 o'clock. If I'll go through the entire order and draft the appeal, it will definitely take a day to finalize it. So what I did, I just downloaded the reply that he has submitted earlier, order copy of DRC07 and the explanation, and simply I copied everything and put that in my GPT. In GPT also I have put some knowledge base relating to the orders or appeal relating to GST. There, here it is drafting of annexure to APL1 that has to be drafted manually. So I cut paste that prompt, and now it's taking time to upload. Yes, it's ready. Some unknown error has occurred. Maybe the reply to the so cause notice could not get uploaded. But these orders have been uploaded. I'll get some result, but the causes that we have mentioned in our reply to the notice, that is not there. So maybe we have to again write this prompt and seek for the appeal document. So thereby what I could do, that within 10 to 15 minutes I got a within 10 to 15 minutes I got a APL01 ready. I'm ready to file. I immediately filed it, and with the APL1 copy I went to the officer. He accepted that and released the order of revocation of attachment. That attachment he went to the bank and shown it, and fortunately in single day, within 5 to 6 hours, he got the attachment revoked. So it is high time that we have to update ourselves with this kind of automation, because uh, it is not going to be very easy when the people are equipped with AI and doing the practice, and we are not equipped with AI and doing the practice. So this is the few things. Apart from this, there are other prompts which we may discuss, but I don't think time permits us to explain those things. Like other prompts, very useful prompts are this summarizing this GSTR 1 and 3B. At times it is very difficult to download all the GSTR 1 and uh, summarize that. It will take another 6 to 7 hours to pull all the data populated in the GSTR 1 and 3B and compare that in a one Excel sheet. So by using this prompts, we can easily draw a table from GPT with a summary of monthly data, and it will help us in determining uh, whether there is any non-compliance or there is any mismatch or there is any system fault which is there in the portal. Uh, how many times I can take? Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
So this automation tools can be used, as I showed, that to draft the authorization letter or reply to the so cause notice or reply to the reply as in a time petition. All those prompts are there, but because of time constraint, I am not able to demonstrate all. Uh, thank you, juries, and particularly I thank Rishi ji for taking all the effort for organizing this hackathon. Over to
Thank you.
juries.
Uh, Good case, Satyanandaji. Here, I want to rather not ask a question, but ask you to consider putting in privacy data of clients. Like when we are uploading data to any of the GPTs or maybe any of the any of the AI models, please take care not to use the privacy private data like the name, GSTIN, PAN, phone numbers. That is in your interest, and that is also supposedly not to be put in directly. You may rather mask them. for future use. That is all I wish to say. Kedar sir, you have something to say?
No question, sir.
Thank you.
Good use case, Mr. Satyanand ji. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
We can move ahead to next participant.